end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear rock.
What's up guys? So I'm back with another video. I don't know if you know, but I've recently switched to the DJI FPV system, and I really enjoy it so far. But the downside about the DJI is that, you know, the air unit, the Vista, even the Vista is still quite big. So what I did was, I really want to fly like a Toothpick, but the Vista it's just still too big. You know, you can't get the same feeling as like a normal Toothpick, like the analog. So I've literally like made a naked Vista, if you can see. So that is actually a naked Vista, and the camera is Caddx Nebula Pro. So this is in the new camera. So I'm just gonna go through the specs of this quad. So the motor is the Emax Eco 1404 6000 kV, and the flight control, it was I'll put a link in the description anyway, but it was the AIO. I think it was like 25 amp. It's pretty cheap. I think it's like £20. Yeah, that's I'm still running the FR Sky because it was just spare, so I didn't want to get crossfire just yet. But other than that, it's just pretty basics. And I'm going to be using this 450 3S as well. This is like really old pack, so we'll see how this fly. So this is the naked Vista Nebula Pro. The camera is pretty good. It's actually like, I can't tell the difference between this and the DJI camera. Whoa, okay. Whoa, that was close. Did you see that? Wow, that was close as well. Oh, okay. So this handle actually handled really well. I know I said it a lot, but it just does for like a little Toothpick. You know, normally when you fly Toothpick, you can kind of tell that it just doesn't feel the same as the 5-inch. But this though, like when you can do like sort of tricks that you can do with 5-inch. Let me try to invert it, yaw. Okay, it wasn't clean. Let me try that again. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so the camera is really nice. I want to kind of explore a bit, but oh, there's people over there, you can see. But I am using FR Sky, so I don't want to fail safe. Don't want to go too far. Hold it. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. I don't know why I did that. I should have just... No. No, I'm gonna have to go get it. Okay.